and welcome to First Position Play Along number 8. Today we'll be learning the song Hopscotch. This video will not only teach you how to play the song, but teach you how to practice any song. We'll start by listening to the full song. Then we'll break the song into chunks, and then there will be some practice tips for some extra help. For about 10 to 15 minutes a day, alternate between the listening, chunking, and practice tip sections of the video until you can play each chunk 3 times in a row with a steady, clear sound. Once you can do that, you'll be ready to perform the whole song at the end of the video with the backup band. Here's the song we're learning, Hopscotch. Listen very closely. Let's break our song into chunks. Here's chunk 1. Listen. Let's sing and slide that on our position numbers. 1, 2, ready, sing. 1, 1, 4, 1, 1, 4, 2, 1, 1. Now let's sing that on our note names, starting with F. 1, 2, ready, sing. F, F, G, F, F, G, A, F, F. Second time now, ready, sing. F, F, G, F, F, G, A, F, F. Now let's play that 3 times together. Take that deep O breath in and use a snappy slide. 1, 2, breathe. Second time now, breathe. Third time now, breathe. Now we'll move on to chunk 2. Here's what it sounds like. Listen. Now let's sing that on position numbers. 1, 2, ready, sing. 1, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 1. Now we'll sing it on our note names 2 times. 1, 2, ready, sing. F, F, E flat D, F, E flat D, F, F. Second time now, sing again. F, F, E flat D, F, E flat D, F, F. Now we'll play that 3 times together. 1, 2, breathe. Second time now, breathe. Third time now, breathe. Now let's put chunks 1 and 2 together. Let's sing and slide it on our note names. 1, 2, ready, sing. F, F, G, F, F, G, A, F, F. F, F, E flat D, F, E flat D, F, F. And now we'll play that together. 1, 2, O breath. Now we'll move on to chunk 3. When I play, I want you to listen if it's the same, similar, or different to something you've already heard. What did you hear? Is it the same, similar, or different? It is exactly the same as chunk 1. So let's review that by singing and sliding on our note names. 1, 2, ready, sing. F, F, G, F, F, G, A, F, F. And now let's play that together. Deep bow breath in, snappy slide. 1, 2, breathe. And finally, here's chunk 4. Listen. Let's sing and slide that on our position numbers. 1, 2, ready, sing. 2, 4, 1, 4, 1, 3, 1, 6, 1. And now we'll say that on our note names 2 times. 1, 2, ready, sing. A, G, F, G, F, E flat, F, C, F. Second time now, ready, sing. A, G, F, G, F, E flat, F, C, F. Now let's play chunk 4 together 3 times. Take a deep O breath in, send that fast air right away. 1, 2, O breath. Second time now, breathe. Third time now, breathe. And now let's put chunks 3 and 4 together. Let's review it by singing and sliding on our note names. 1, 2, ready, sing. F, F, G, F, F, G, A, F, F. A, G, F, G, F, E flat, F, C, F. And now let's play that together. 1, 2, O breath. Now you know the whole song. You can go back and practice what chunks you need, or go ahead to our practice tips. Let's practice having a snappy slide on these eighth notes. We're going to do some rapid fire Simon Says, so pay attention. Repeat after me. Together. My turn. 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 Together. We could continue this practice by rewinding the video and cycling through those chunks again, rather than staying on one 4-note chunk and repeating it. Sometimes it may work better to give your brain a break and move on to something new, rather than repeating the same thing over and over again. Now that you're used to these videos, you can try this tactic on a larger scale. You can take any chunk out of order. If a chunk is getting frustrating, try going on to a different chunk, or even giving your brain a break by singing and sliding along. Now that you've practiced each chunk, let's play the whole song together. along with me in rhythm with a clear sound and snappy slide, now you get to play with the backup band. There will be reminders on the screen, but now it's time to show what you know. Great job learning Hopscotch. You'll be ready to move on to the next song once you can play Hopscotch 3 times in a row with a steady, confident sound. There is sheet music in the description if you would like to try reading along now that you know the song. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video for our next song.